All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this fella. I got a Null Knives Raiden here with me for a quick maintenance video. There's nothing wrong with this guy, nothing to maintain. It's just me wanting to check it out on the inside, see how it is, and see if we can improve it a little bit more. I mean, it's a great thumb stud action, for sure. It just schiocca in Italian. You would say this kind of sound, like when you deploy it. It's just gorgeous. Mirror wash finish on the blade, M390 steel. It's just pretty good. It's like a relatively inexpensive knife, and we're gonna check it out right now if we can improve the action. I mean, this is the drop shot action that we get. Probably it's the lock bar tension that is too much, because you see this guy just freely spins. So let's go ahead and find out if we can improve or not this fella. The pivot is nicely keyed in, and we appreciate that very much. Always apply a lot of pressure inward, like just push inside, otherwise you're gonna risk to have some scratches. And right over here we can just break the tension like that, grab this little fella, maybe try to see if we can push the pivot out. That we can't, so we're gonna need the help of the bigger boy, the plastic boy, which usually gets the job done. But in this case, seems that this pivot is just stuck. Interesting. Well, you know what? We don't care if that is stuck, because we're gonna open it up anyways, and I bet we're gonna win. He's gonna lose. This is a longer screw because, of course, catches the pocket clip and allows for a blind pocket clip screw. So, still there. Don't worry, don't you worry at all. So here, I'm trying to, there you go. Done. Done. Let's see who wins. I won. Here you go. Stop in. You got a couple of bearings, a little bit of lighting pockets to reduce the weight in this titanium stone washed frame. Inside the backspacer you get the numbering. You get a 111. Hey Daniel, you won this one? Let me know. And just go ahead and do this. It was pretty dry, so maybe we have a chance, guys. We might have a chance of improving. I very much the mirror wash finish on this one. It's not like my favorite mirror wash, but it's a good one. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead. I am tempted to do a 5 weight for the blade, but I'm actually gonna opt for a 10 because I feel so. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 1 for the detent. Right, 1, 2, 3. Let's do a little bigger one. So that is it for the lube in this guy. And it's gonna be pretty quick because this fella, it's right over here. I'm gonna clean a little bit, but there's nothing to clean. These are pretty dry, so really not much to clean. This guy is right there. This fella, maybe we wanna add a bearing like so. What do you think? No bearings, maybe. This other guy goes like so. Okay, the stop pin goes in place like that, and we got a nice lock side scale. But as you see, I'm a little bit of a dum-dum, and I need to rotate and align the pivot like so. so it can catch the D-shaped opening of the lock side, as you can see. And now you can reduce a little bit of tension, just squeeze it in. So make sure that you don't leave anything behind, right? What's wrong with you, Fab? And this fella now is happy to go back. I like when the maker, they stick with the T something. 8, it's fine. Don't go below 8. And you only need one tool for the old knife, and it's much appreciated. So here I made a mistake because I left the blade open, so that introduces tension, which you don't want, all right? So just leave it like halfway open, and this guy's in. So now we can actually just give it a little bit more a crank down, tighten a little bit more. We're gonna check for blade play, which we, ooh, guys, I really hope you can hear and appreciate the sound, because it's just fantastic. Opening sound, guys. Wow. That's beautiful. It's loud. So, see, there's no really drop shot. I improved the sound, 100%. It wasn't sounding this good before. I don't know if it's possible, but beautiful. Wow, this thing is scary good. Sound is amazing. We got blade, which is pretty much centered. You see, there's not really like any drop shot, but just like a little shake shot is gonna do the job. So, which is what we want. There you have it, guys. I really like this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.